What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I know I've mentioned plenty of times that meme coins are more important to the markets than everyone thinks. These meme coins are going to be worth a lot and honestly have an impact to usability, have an impact to more popularity and volume in the markets than a lot of you believe. So while people are investing into Bitcoin and Ethereum and for good reason, investing into those things, there's going to be a lot more that flows into those, but from the gains and massive amounts of money people are making from the meme coin side of things, meme coins have no real relevance in this market besides creating that popularity. And I think besides like one meme coin, all the rest of them are for just the people, everyday people to invest into. We don't have the influence of huge businesses and institutions and ETFs that are being created by it, which ETFs are not a bad thing. Create stability. It brings a traditionalist into the market or multiple traditionalists into the market and creates more consistency. But for the fluctuation and for the large gains that we want to see in the crypto market, meme coins are kind of it. And they're going to be here for a very long time. One of those meme coins that I believe is going to have a larger impact than where we see it today, and I said that we would see it in multiple billions of dollars worth of market cap very soon, is PEPE. There were plenty of people in the comment section of my PEPE videos telling me, hey, if you believed in it so much, you would be heavily invested into it. And honestly, you're not wrong saying I should have been heavily invested into it. I wanted it at a certain price, and I tend to trade with emotion if I don't buy it at that price. So I did the same thing when it came to quant. I believe in quant, but I didn't buy quant because I missed my entry point. I've done that with a bunch of other plays as well, where I just completely miss out on the gains of it because I already had something in my mind of where I wanted to buy it, and I didn't have that opportunity to purchase it at that level. But Pepe is definitely a phenomenal project, phenomenal meme coin that will be worth a lot more than where we stand today and will at least 10x from where we are right now. So let's talk about that, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget to check out my link down below for Margex, because Margex actually has the ability to trade Pepe. You can go about trading it if you want to, and it is a meme coin, so it's not going to be something where you have a 100x leverage, but you have up to a 25x leverage. I never recommend a 25x leverage. As you can see here, I have Pepe in my portfolio at a 5x leverage, and I'm up 278%. Now, this is my only saving grace from the fact that I didn't buy a crazy amount of Pepe outright. But as I put in $200, I can then invest with $1,000 here and gain the profits with $1,000. So I have my ways of doing that, and obviously Margex is one of those ways, especially seeing at a low price of 64. Right? It says 64 cents, but they do it at a 100K multiple or conversion, right? Multiple conversion. Which, if that doesn't make sense, I'll have to explain that in another time period because it would take a while for me to break it down that way. It's very simple though. But either way, it's seen a significant price increase, and I am up by 278%, even though it hasn't risen by 278%. And that's because I have a leverage trade. So feel free to go ahead and check out my link for Margex if you guys are interested in trading Pepe, in trading Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, BTC, Ethereum, all of those. But meme coins. Meme coins are a lot more popular than people think. So, and a lot more important to the market than people think. While they think they serve no purpose at all, the main purpose that I see within it is bringing a crazy amount of popularity, younger faces, interesting crowds, FOMO into the crypto market, because people are like, you can make $1 million from Shiba Inu. I just talked about this, and you guys are going to see the shorts video. If you invested $100 in Shiba Inu in August of 2020 and waited until 2021, October of 2021, you have $8.4 million from a $100 investment. Those are the type of things that people want to see and want to find. And while you look at Floki and Bonk and Whip and Shib and Doge and all of those, you look at the market cap, it's up to a 58 or as high as a $58 billion market cap in the last 30 days. If we look at the last year, we got all the way up to a 60 or 70 billion-dollar market cap for meme coins, with a lot of volume that's flowing through it as well. Market share, you can see here, Pepe has 3.46% of the meme coin market share. It currently sits at a $4.2 billion market cap, just getting above that drop zero. And when I look at this and I say, this has so much potential to run, it has so much potential to run. It has a lot of money that's flowing into it. $452 million in the last 24 hours. It is down by 40%, meaning that yesterday it was up closer to the billion-dollar mark, while also seeing a $4.2 billion market cap. If you look at the volume to market cap ratio, it's 10.5%, which shows a level of popularity you don't typically see within when positions in the billions. You typically see it hover around 5%. That's what leads to popularity. So seeing it up here means that you definitely have a ton of popularity with this play here. Circulating supply, all the supplies out there, you have no issue on dilution within it. And honestly, when you look at it by market cap over the last year, this has actually reached way higher than a $4.2 billion market cap. It was up to a $6 or $7 billion market cap. I believe, right? My belief is that we are going to see a minimum, right? A minimum of a 10x gain on this position, right? Up to a $42 billion market cap. And the reason I think that is because last bull market's meme coins, right? Not saying those are going to go away, were Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. You had others that came up as well, and they were worth maybe 100 million, 200 million, 400 million dollars. But now you see a lot of projects in the meme coin market that's worth $1 billion or more, right? It's not just the top two projects where it was just Doge and Shiba Inu, and everything else was in the hundreds of millions, and some were in the tens of millions, and some were just single digit millions. Now you see a lot that's hovering in the hundreds of millions, a lot that's hovering in the billions as well, and you're going to see more that get into the tens of billions, not just Dogecoin, not just Shiba Inu. You're going to see things like Pepe that runs up to a 42 plus billion-dollar market cap. Now, does this mean that it's going to have long-term value in the market? It doesn't necessarily mean that. It doesn't mean that it's going to have that growth that we expect with like a Solana or an AVAX or a Cardano or something like that. It doesn't mean that we're going to have that type of growth, because those are long-term use cases that you can have within a project. A meme coin, you don't necessarily have that. But it does mean that you'll be able to reach some of these prices and get to some of these levels with the FOMO and the popularity that comes on board. So I want to hear what you guys think about Pepe. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, I want you to check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out a link for Margex where you can trade Pepe up to a 25x leverage, feel free to do so. That link is at the top of the description. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video. See ya.